Eines Vision Systems, we see a strong shift towards digitalization and automation of quality control. By integrating advanced vision systems directly into production lines, OEMs and Tier 1 suppliers can detect defects earlier, avoid rework, and prevent defective vehicles from moving downstream. This reduces unnecessary transport, scrap, and energy consumption. Ultimately, smarter quality control means less waste and lower carbon emissions, while ensuring every vehicle meets the highest standards from the very first step. The key is automatization with precision. Our vision systems help manufacturers achieve zero defect strategies without increasing operational costs. By avoiding material waste, minimizing energy use, and reducing costly reprocesses, we allow plants to meet sustainability targets while also improving profitability. In fact, cost, quality, and sustainability are no longer conflicting goals. When quality is assured at every stage, you automatically save resources, reduce emissions, and protect margins.